Hi guys, it's April with my Thursdays. And this is Mabel, my dog. Hi everybody, it's April with my 3 Seeds, and I am looking like a housewife cleaning her house. I do not look all beautiful today because I am cleaning, and I am sharing with you today something super cool that I found out. I don't know about y'all, but I have 3 kids and 2 dogs, and them little suckers run around my house and tear up the grout in my ceramic floor. I didn't know when I bought our house that the person that installed it before, or the lady that owned the house, she didn't have the grout sealed, which is a very important thing to do when you have a ceramic tile that's laid in your house. The reason being is because dirt and debris and regular traffic through your house gets stuck in that grout, and it makes it look dirty and gross. And no matter how many times you mop your floor with Clorox or whatever, it does not matter how many times you mop your floor. If your grout is stained at all, it's not coming out. Your grout is stained, and you can mop a million times and it's not going to change anything. But I found something that really works, and it is so cool, and I'm going to show you what it is in just a second. So on all of our high traffic areas, we have yucky grout. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. Let's see where, right here. Gross grout. You can see it behind me. It's not gross. See here? Not gross, because I found something really cool that works to clean grout, and I'm going to show you guys what I used. Toilet bowl cleaner works really good. And this is the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner with bleach. And it's awesome because it kills 99.9% of germs, and it bleaches the crap out of your grout. I'm not kidding you. You probably would want to try it on a little spot just to make sure that it works on your grout, but it worked pretty damn good on mine. So let me show you guys what I did. It's super easy. You probably won't see my face because I'm trying to get the floor in the picture so you can see it. But yeah, make sure that you sweep your floor, mop it, or whatever you need to do to prep it. And then all you need is some of this awesome stuff. A little scrubby brush. I would suggest a white cloth because this has bleach in it. You don't want to bleach one of your good cloths. And some warm or hot water to remove the bleach when you're done. Okay, so this is what you do. Ugh. All right, let me fix my shirt. Ugh. All right, so let me start over. Can you see this? Yes, I think you can here. And this is really cool. Hello. Because it has a little squirty top on it. So all you do is just take it and run it over. And I don't know if you can see all of this, but I'm just gonna do it right here. You don't have to put a lot either. You just put enough. Let me put some over here because I think y'all can see over here too. All right, and now all you're gonna do is take your little scrubby brush and scrub it into the grout. Nobody tells you when you buy a house or whatever all these really cool tricks of the trade and what works to clean. Okay, so what I do is rub it with my scrubby brush into the grout of the tile. And this is good because I have grimy little kids. They walk around on here with their shoes or whatever, or, you know, tracking stuff. I mean, it's just wear and tear on tile. It's not because, you know, you're gross or whatever. It happens. For best results, please wait 3 to 5 minutes before removing this from the grout. But you can already tell it's already starting to clean the crud out of it. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. So this stuff has been sitting on here for a little while, and now it is time to wipe it off with my cloth. I'm gonna just dip it in the water, squeeze it out, and then start over here where I started to begin with, and just wipe this up. And it's that easy. Now, what I did when I was doing the whole dining room area, I used another towel that I didn't really care about under my knees to protect them, because you're on your floor all Cinderella-like. See, look at that yuckiness. That's from the grout. But yeah, get another towel or something that you can put underneath, or even if you have knee pads for like people that lay tile, or even if you have an old pair of volleyball knee pads, those would work. Yep, that's it. You might already have known this trick. I don't know, but I didn't know this trick, and I thought some people out there might not know this trick either. And I thought maybe they would want to know about it too. Well, I guess it's time to sign off now, but I wanted to mention, if you like this shirt, make sure to check out my Etsy store where I sell them and other shirts just like it for the DIY lover in you. Or if you're not a DIY person, then maybe you have somebody that you want to shop for that's a DIY person. In that case, I have all kinds of great t-shirts for them for Christmas, for their birthday, or maybe just because you love them. So think about the DIYer in your life that you love that needs a t-shirt like mine. Okay, that's the end of that commercial. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, you know the drill. I'm everywhere. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, y'all.